Alright, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at some more AMC, GME, and then the rest of the stock market. But, you got to put that AMC and GME in the title, just to get some of that search views. But we got some pretty good, news coming out of AMC, how they keep raising capital through selling shares, and that's like really, really good for I guess AMC, because now they can continue paying off a lot of the debt that they have. And if the price continues to hold up like at this 50ish range, I mean, we'll probably see the CEO sell a bunch more shares, and then they'll pay off all of their debt, and then the next thing you know, AMC is literally like a company not in debt and probably very, very close to being profitable again. Well, it was profitable, but like they just had so much debt that it wasn't really looking too good. But I mean, man, especially with them offering to like give free popcorn and stuff to investors, I mean, dude, they are figuring out literally how to capitalize on this the best. So happy for them, and happy for a lot of, like, I guess the investors that have made a real ton of money on this. I mean, let's see, how far down are we from the all-time high? So all-time high was probably this candle, right? This was at $73. Wow, $73. So let's go to like 73.01 is probably the closest that we're gonna get on this time frame. And then, okay, so we're still down about like 32%. So it is quite a correction, but compared to the hundreds of percents that we are up currently, I mean, is it that really big of a deal? Probably not. So we'll just keep watching it and then see how things play out from there. We've also got Gamestock, another one that wants to kind of push, but it's been struggling once AMC volume started dying down, then GME volume started dying down, and I was really surprised because this thing was down like 40% or something intraday, but I guess it just had that really, really solid recovery. Really solid recovery, which is great to see. We've got, what is it, VU going up? Wow, VU is pretty up nice in the pre-market. We've got ES1 almost hitting all-time highs. SPY, I think, is actually at a all-time high. Hold on, let me turn off the sniper. Yeah, SPY, I'm pretty sure, is actually at an all-time high in the pre-market, which is really nice to see. What are we at? We're at $422.84. Yeah, holy cow, we're actually going to hit it. So that means new highs for VU. Unfortunately, no new highs for QQQ, but it's going in the right direction that we like to see. I'm happy. Okay, $422.85. How much of a gain is that from the last kind of dip that we had in after hours the other day? Okay, that's like a 1.5% increase. I mean, that's not bad. We had a really strong volume candle on the end of the day on Friday, and we're slowly pushing. I should have probably gone some calls, some QQQ calls, and some SPY calls, because let's check a look at QQQ. After that major pre-market run on Friday, it just keeps kind of going. It keeps going. I mean, we have this resistance here that's really been struggling to break, but if the triangle kind of holds true, I mean, you can kind of consider this a triangle, although we have like this part obviously where it broke ahead, but we have this thing, and we could literally just see it continue pushing and pushing and pushing until we see QQQ maybe it'll continue trading in this range around the 335 mark, maybe the 344 mark, and then it'll fall right back down. So, or it'll break out. Hopefully we get a nice breakout on it though. Tesla's still kind of following this triangle, which we like to see. It's kind of just honestly relaxing. Like, it had that really solid rejection at the 630ish mark, and now it's kind of fallen. It fell back down to a pretty strong support. Unfortunately, we didn't fall back down to like the 540 mark, but we'll take what we can get with these Tesla dips. Hopefully it kind of trickles down a little bit more down to the 540. And then we see a nice strong bounce over here, and then we see it push more back towards like the 640ish range. Maybe we'll get some like calls, or maybe we'll actually buy some more stock over there, or honestly just kind of trade it on the forex markets and see if we can get any any good buying opportunities on Tesla here, because right now it is kind of slow, but you know, maybe we'll get some good buying opportunities. We've also got Ford. Ford just continues to push every single day. How much of a run is this from its price from the 13th of May? So that is almost, wow, that is a 40% run on, whoa, that is a 40% run on Ford. I mean, who would have expected that? Like, they hit earnings. Their earnings was the 20th of April, and oh wow, TradingView actually upgraded, and they surprised on their EPS by 195%, which is good. Yo, what's up, Animal Mentality? How are you doing? How you doing, dude? Sorry I didn't get to stream on Thursday or Friday. I don't think I streamed. I don't remember. But I got super busy with like actual work and stuff, so I didn't get the time to. But Ford is up, wow, 40%. I mean, that's just pretty awesome to see. That, you know, Ford just keeps chugging. It's one of those that just doesn't stop. Especially, I think it has a lot to do with their truck that they released, but I don't really like the truck. How your call is doing? So I basically wiped out on my 35 AMC calls. I wiped out on my 35 AMC calls, and then I got some 110 calls as well. So I mean, I'm at an L with that, but I like tripled down on the 110. So those are doing a little bit better, because I mean, the odds that AMC goes to 110 are really, really low in my opinion. Like I think we had our pump in it, and we might see like another rally. It really depends if the squeeze is over or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. You can't win everything, right? You win it back. We've got some Facebook chugging along. We've got Fang. There's like a lot of different things that kind of just are chugging along. We've got the airlines that have just been stagnant since March, since actually February. I wonder when we're gonna see a nice little pump on those, if we ever even see a pump on those again. We've got, yeah, a lot of these recoveries are just relaxing now. I mean, they had their run from March, but now they're just not really doing too much. Let's see, what else do we got? We've got Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it's bottoming here. I'm not gonna lie, this looks like a kind of really bullish chart for Bitcoin. Look at that, dude. On the 4 hour, I mean, we are at previous support where we had that massive rally, and we've kind of just been building support here for how many days now? Since the 18th of May. So really almost a month. We've been bouncing kind of between the 28,000 to like 40,000 range. I mean, that is such a big range, but it somehow is holding on to this thing. I mean, if we see some sort of like confirmation at like 40,000, 41,000, this thing could go. I want to see what AMC does based on its current volume. Yeah, same. I'm honestly not sure, because it seems like a lot of the short sellers haven't sold yet. And if you look at like, let's take a look at Ortex, right? Let's go to Ortex. Okay, Ortex over here, and then let's see what they're saying about short interest. So AMC short interest, the average age of shares returned on Friday was 27 days, indicating the loan was taken out at $10. Estimated short interest percent is 13.94% of free float, with 71 million shares shorted. So I mean, it is a decent bit that is still being shorted, although I think that's actually lower than where it was beforehand. I think a lot of the shorts actually exited after making a pretty nice bag at the top. You know, from the 70-ish that it was at to like the 35s, where it kind of bottomed out. This is a pretty nice little bounce in the pre-market, though. I mean, we're up, what, 3%, 4% off of this, probably? Let's see, 41 to 49. Oh, wow, no, that's actually like 18%. That's pretty good. But I guess it did fall in the after hour, so we're kind of just trading at the closing prices. Still has room to run with patience. I agree. I mean, we saw it with, like, GME, right? Like, GME didn't just, like, die. Well, that's a cap. But it like, fell. But then I guess after that initial, we can't even really say it died, because it was trading at like 15, or I guess it was trading like $8 beforehand, 8 to 15 bucks. So falling, to 45%, that's still up 300%, right? I don't know if you consider that like actually dead, but then it's just been trading at 160, and it doesn't look like GameStop really did anything with their money like AMC did. I don't know if they actually issued shares. Let me see. Did GME issue shares? I actually don't remember if they did. Oh, they did. So they completed a $550 million secondary stock offering, and the shares rocketed. Okay, so they took advantage of the stock's massive run. Okay, finally they took some advantages. Earnings coming up, yeah. When is that? The 8th. Is that tomorrow? Oh yeah, this is tomorrow. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think earnings actually has any effect on GME. Like, I don't think it'll have an effect at all. Usually when earnings kind of push a stock down or, push it up a bit, like, I genuinely don't think this is gonna have any effect for GME. Like, there's just no reason for it to, There's just no reason for it to actually have an impact. If earnings actually mattered, this thing would literally die. Look over here. We had the March 23rd one. It went down in previous earnings. I was watching it live. Yeah, but how much did it go down? I mean, let's take a look. Okay, so earnings was... Let's take a look. So earnings was on the 23rd. So it went here. It actually didn't even crash, dude. It kinda. I mean, it was already on the downtrend though. So it went here, and then it actually went up 10%, or I guess 8%. And then it fell about 18% too. I mean, that's not really that big, dude. Yeah, like, you would expect this thing to fall right back down to like $100 or something. I mean, let's see like the other earnings. Well, I guess the previous earnings, yeah, it didn't really do anything. They actually surprised over here. Aw. Yeah, I don't think it'll have that much of an impact. If anything, we'll kind of just fall like into the previous trading range. But that's really about it for GME. I mean, does AMC have earnings soon? No, they don't even have their earnings announced. I mean, technically they should have theirs March, April, May, and then we've got... Yeah, no, this will probably be in like, what, July or August? Probably August, like early August should be the next AMC earnings. GameStop has a lot of apps too. Yeah, what was the thing called? What was the thing called? GameStop, NFT or something? Or what was it called? NFT.GameStop? Or crypto? Oh yeah, NFT.GameStop.com. Very weird. Okay, what? I don't want... No, I don't want... See, like, I actually don't know... I think we can see some... Wait a second. This could actually be a pretty big bullish news for GME, because, I mean, if like one of the analysts asks this question about what are they planning on doing with the NFT.GameStop, I mean, and if they like have a good answer, we could see this thing kind of push, because NFTs are still like pretty big, and I mean, just because they have the Ethereum like on the website, kind of like Floyd Mayweather had the Ethereum pants on yesterday, we could see it run. All those things, I don't know. It's going. Excited to see where SPY goes today. I don't know. I like SPY more than AMC, and I think we'll see a really nice run on SPY, dude. I mean, look at this. It's literally at pre-market all-time highs. Basically, it just has to like get that like 0.1% of points, and we'll actually be at new all-time highs for SPY, which is awesome. Can you check Workhorse chart? Sure. WKHS. Ooh, Workhorse is up. Well, it was down in the pre-market. It was down yesterday, but... Or it was down Friday, but I mean, look at that pre-market, dude. It's going up. And we're basically at resistance. If we push there, we go all the way up to like 1493, and then we push all the way up to like 1575. We got some pretty good bullish momentum in the pre-market. That's good. What did Workhorse? Wow, what happened here, dude? What happened to Workhorse, bro? How much of a fall is that? Let's say like from right here to like, oh my god, is that a 45% drop in a day? I think I was there when this happened. I just don't remember what happened. I remember a lot of people bought calls on Workhorse thinking it would completely, like, you know, fill the gap, but it never did. Some USPS deal. Oh, right. That was the USPS deal. Yeah. Okay, I remember seeing this thing fall, and I saw a bunch of people be like, you know, buy calls on Workhorse. It's going back. Like, this is just FUD. It'll totally fill the gap. But it never did. It just continued falling and falling. I mean, I guess now we're getting that push, but I don't think this will gap fill, man. They lost that revenue. How much of a fall is it till the lows? Wow, that was a 75% fall. Holy. That's nuts. Yeah, so Workhorse is no longer like an actual company. It's just a meme stock now. That's unfortunate. It's literally just a meme stock. What's another one? BlackBerry. BlackBerry was another one that had this massive run. I mean, it's chilling. It's up in the pre-market, basically down to like half of what it was on Friday. Super shorted. I mean, let's check out the FinViz for Workhorse. FinViz. I mean, if they're losing deals, they're probably not like the greatest, right? WKHS Workhorse. Let's check out the FinViz and see if we've got any good information. Okay. So, price of sales. Quick ratios, not bad. Current ratios, not bad. Wow, their sales are up. Why is their EPS up 42,000%? That's bad. No, this is not a good company, dude. They don't make money. Return on assets minus 17%. Return on equity. Return on investment. How do you have a negative return on investment? What? They're investing. What are they investing in? GameStop shorts? No catalyst going forward. Yikes. Second and third quarters will be a critical period for some of its C1000 electric van ramps. Yeah. People are really saying that they don't think the stock is going anywhere. What other news do we have? I mean, it popped because it's like a meme stock now. Workhorse joins meme stock club as shares surge. Yeah, dude, it just doesn't seem like Workhorse has any catalyst really going forward. I mean, that's what MarketWatch said. It just doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. What is stock twit saying? Workhorse, they have lost control. Shorts will be covering today. I don't think so, dude. These guys have been shorting since literally since that first crash. You got BBB. Let's check out what Nokia is doing. I think Nokia was another one that was like really projected to run. So let's see what that does. We've got Nokia. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, Nokia, it kind of just pushed and then didn't stop. It didn't really push that hard though. I mean, how much of a percent is like 20%? Yeah, dude, like 30%, dude. AMC does that in like a candlestick nowadays. Holy crap. We've got AMC and QQQ still going, almost at $50 again. Nice to see that. Yeah, nice to see this thing almost at $50. What are you investing in, Animal? What types of companies are you in? Or are you just kind of relaxing for now, just trying to day trade a little bit here and there? I'm kind of surprised. Wow, dude, Roblox has just been killing. Roblox touched $104. No, it touched 103. You're waiting for ETC. You're an Ethereum Classic guy. ETC USD. Holy, I honestly, dude, I think with crypto, like, I mean, some of these things are kind of holding, right? Like we see Ethereum Classic kind of holding a lot of support. But the thing is, when Ethereum Classic runs, like it runs like crazy. Then moving to SPY, QQQ, and TQQQ. Yeah, nice. I'm a big fan of TQQQ. I mean, honestly, we could see Ethereum Classic, because correct me if I'm wrong, but Ethereum Classic is still going to be proof of work whenever Ethereum switches over to proof of stake, right? So doesn't that mean that a lot of the miners will actually move over to Ethereum Classic probably? To continue mining, since I guess the validator thing won't be as profitable. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's a huge gain though, 171%. I mean, that's not as much as like the first couple pops. Wow, if you would call that, that's a 1400% gain. Yeah, I think it's worth it to kind of wait on this and really see what's gonna happen. Cause I mean, Bitcoin is kind of bottoming. Like love or hate Bitcoin, it is starting to bottom out here. I think it will just follow Ethereum. Let's see. Let's look it up. Will Ethereum Classic stay proof of work? Okay. How Ethereum Classic will surge past 7,000 in the next 10 years. Okay. Ethereum Classic will be the only top proof of work smart chain contracts blockchain. Oh, so it'll be the only proof of work, I guess. Capped supply. Does it really? Therefore, ETC will be $7,000. Okay, well that was a terrible article. I just want to know if it's going to proof of stake. But for miners who intend to jump on another proof of work for blockchain, Ethereum Classic may be their new home. Yeah, so it's just going to be chilling with proof of work still. So I was right. They're not actually going to be switching over to, I guess, proof of stake. Ethereum Classic will stay classical and run up with the proof of work still. I'm not gonna lie, dude. This chart is very, very appealing to me. Let's draw some lines real quick. So here, let's go out of auto. Whoops. Let's go. Let's like drag this down a bit, and let's kind of draw a line here. I want to see if we get a couple triangles going. Wow, that's a huge volume candle. All right, let's go like right here. Okay. So let's draw maybe from here. And dude, this is holding, man. This is holding. Okay, so we've got that line, and then we've got, let's start over here, and we go here. So this is holding, man. This is a really solid triangle. We could probably line it up a little bit better. Right there. Man, this is a solid this is a real solid triangle. I won't cap. This is a solid triangle that it's holding. Look at that, dude. It has higher highs, lower. Wait, we have highs, lows, and then lower highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, and it's going. Like, honestly, I think this is actually almost a close. Like, this is actually not a bad price to pick up some BTC. Like, literally. It is only up 3%, which, you know, for BTC is relatively nothing. Is this custom? Yeah, it is. If you want, I could just show you the settings that I have. So we've got like, I mean, just like screen, or just like take a picture on your phone or something, or like screenshot. And then you can just like copy it if you want. So we've got colors over here. We've got the status line. I guess that doesn't really matter. We've got the scales. This doesn't matter at all, probably. we've got appearance. I think this is the one that is probably gonna matter the most. So a lot of this stuff is like scale text. That's that. Trading, this doesn't really matter too much. And then we've got events. I think that's pretty much it for the chart, yeah. But I like the way the black the black looks. I guess it's a lot like more appealing for the eye for me. But this like support and resistance lines, the red and green lines, that's custom. Yo, what's up, Slumber? How are you? Ready for MCU? Man, this is actually such a promising triangle. I'm obviously not going to be buying any more than I already have though, because this is only like an 8% jump. Now, what we could see is that this thing breaks out of the triangle and continues pushing up, like it bottoms there, or we could see it having like an inverse flag, and then it continues its trek downwards. What broker do you use? I use TD Ameritrade from my broker, but this is just TradingView, so I can like chart easier and use additional like indicators and stuff. Let's see what the ETH chart looks like. I wonder if ETH is as pronounced with its triangle. Yeah, so ETH isn't really triangling. I mean, you could draw a line really from like over here and kind of see how it follows. I mean, it follows pretty nicely, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, Ethereum is about to break out. Wait, yeah. Look at this rising wedge. Look at this rising wedge. Now, if we look at a rising wedge, oh no, it's not a rising wedge. What is it? Frick, I forgot. Oh my god. Dude, I gotta get the candlestick thing. I forgot the name of it. Where'd it go? Alright, let's do candlestick patterns. Which one is... Nope, not candlestick patterns. Dude, do you know what the name of it is? I totally forgot. I'm blanking. Help. Okay, it's not that one. It's one of these. Dude, what is it called? Either way, dude, this is hella bullish. If it starts breaking out to like 20, if it touches probably, let's say 3,000, this could literally break back out to like 4,000 easily. It could easily break out. Or if it falls maybe to like 2,500, we could see it fall back down a bit. But this is a pretty bullish sign, especially since it's following the line like super nicely. You've got 20 minutes till AMC opens up though. How's this thing doing? It is at 50. Okay, we're back over the $50 mark, which is great. $50 mark, happy to see. What else we got over here? 50.44. Is GME pushing with it? It's... Oh, we can't see GME on TradingView. Dude, that's like the only stock you can't see on TradingView. And it's like literally one of the most important right now. Is SPY pushing for all-time highs yet? No, dude. SPY got rejected. Oh, that sucks. SPY got rejected at the all-time high. What? That's unfortunate. That's actually super unfortunate. Tesla up? No, Tesla. It's very peculiar with the way Tesla's moving. It just doesn't know what it wants to do. So weird. What else we got here? We got Facebook, Snapchat. I'm really surprised Snapchat is actually a thing. Boeing just crushing it as usual. Boeing is just one of those companies, dude. Like, no matter how much you dislike some of the things they do, no matter how much you dislike their planes or whatever, you can't stop Boeing because they've just got so many government contracts and so many contracts with like really, really big agencies, you know? Okay, let's see what's on the Yahoo Finance home. I haven't went to this today. The state of things after Friday's jobs report. Let's see what they're talking about with the jobs report. I don't want to hear that. SNDL. All right, let's check that out first. Sundial. This is a weed company. I always forget what Sundial does. Sundial Grower. SNDL. What do they do? It's marijuana, right? Yeah, they are. Okay, yeah, it's marijuana. That's what I thought. It's actually not moving though. What? I mean, it had this huge run with Tilray from 70 cents to 1.5. I mean, that's a 100% run, but I mean, that's not really that much compared to the, well, voice crack, compared to the run that it had in February. Jesus, when Tilray I think ran like crazy. This thing ran up to almost $5. Holy crap. I've never been a fan of weed stocks though. I think since you can always just grow weed at home, and the cartel owns weed, like, I never honestly saw a reason for like marijuana companies to do well. I guess it is the same thing too though. Like, I mean, why buy milk when you can just have a cow at home? But yeah, some people can't go home. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, if you live in an apartment in like the city, the odds are you probably can't grow weed. So I see why some people do it. Why some people like it. But the thing is, there's just so many weed companies, you know? And it's not like there's anything proprietary about weed. Like, you can't trademark weed or copyright it. I mean, it's literally just who has the best grower and who can dominate the market first, right? Like, and I don't even think that there is any sort of domination in the market anyway. I don't know. I'm excited for AMD. I am truly excited for AMD because, I mean, this thing is so primed to run, man. What's Doge chart looking like? My coworker moved his AMC gains to Doge. DOGE USD. Okay. Doge is at 30 cents. See, dude, this literally looks like GameStop chart. We had this massive run, then we had the fall to 21 cents, and now we're just relaxing at 37 cents. I mean, this is literally, if we compare this to AMC, okay, well, not yet, but we will eventually. Doge USD. I mean, dude, look at that. We're just at 37 cents. Now, I actually have no opinion on Doge. I don't own any anymore. I sold all the Doge that I had. I mean, it is moving, kinda, but I think it'll probably just relax until crypto has another big run. And the thing I've noticed is that Elon Musk was the Doge father, but I mean, he really seems to be kind of moving away from crypto, from what I can tell. He's like trying to get away from it. Not much we could do with Doge, really. I mean, the thing is, because if it all of a sudden has like the whale that owns like 30% of the shares or something drops, I mean, this thing, dude, look at that, minus 85%. Holy, that is such a massive fall. Your coworker's crazy though, by the way. He should have taken like his AMC, and if he really wanted to be risky, he should have put in like TQQQ. No shot you put in something like Doge, bro. I'm holding Doge too. I'm just gonna wait and move the profits. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think you're just better off buying something like just literally holding the money cash, and then if we have a market fall, you just load TQQQ and then retire. Like, you literally, this is the one stock that you can buy during a crash that you know will 100%, well, not 100%, but like 93.5% run back up. right? Like the odds that the stock market completely dies after a crash is so small, and the chart like doesn't lie, dude. Yeah, you said it. The chart doesn't lie. I mean, look at that. That's in such an easy 500% gain. So easy. You could 5x your money in like a couple months after a big crash. I mean, it's not the first time it's done it either. If we go to like 2018, where we had that fall, well, I guess it wasn't that big of a fall, but yeah, look, we fell from what, $36. We fell 60% on this thing, and then boom, we literally ran back up 130%, dude. It's free money. It is literally free money. If you can catch it, this is the freest money you'll probably ever make in the market by buying something like this. Even on the crash that we had in January, which was basically like a small correction, dude, you would have made 50% if you bought the bottom. And let's say you didn't buy the bottom. Let's say you bought like the middle, dude. I mean, that's still an easy 25%, right? Like, dude, you are not gonna go wrong buying TQQQ on a crash. I mean, that's literally what I'm going to be doing on the next crash. I want to hold it and add it over years. No, that's not what you do, dude. That's not how you trade TQQQ. You only buy it on crashes. This is not something you buy and hold. This is something you buy on a crash or on a major dip and ride it till like new highs or whatever, and then you cash out. In my opinion, at least. But I mean, if you would have actually bought this back like when you first started trading, like in let's say I started trading in like 2015, let's say, right? If I had only bought TQQQ, I actually wouldn't be up as much as I am now. But I mean, are you really gonna be mad buying something for $8 and now it's up 1,700%? You would not be mad at all. That is a 17 bagger. That is a lot. That is a lot of money. A 17 bagger. But yeah, I'll wait till the next big crash. I think the next big crash will probably be the credit bubble, where like a lot of people are just borrowing so much money, or like somehow the US doesn't repay its debt or something like that, and then we see the thing fall. I'll wait for that. There's gonna be a crash, dude. We just probably won't know about it. Honestly, it might be something as simple as like a war breaks out and we have a massive crash. But then again, war usually makes stocks rise. Let's see. Does war make stocks rise? Huh. Stocks have largely shrugged off past geopolitical conflicts. Holy. So during the two worst wars in the modern history, the stock market was up 115%. Yeah, so if we have a big war, expect new all-time highs right after, or like during it. AMC, is it doing anything? $51, not really. We still got 10 minutes till market open anyway. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of pushing. How much is that up from the close? Okay, what candle was this? This was the 16.0 candle. This ended at 48.22. So 48.23. It is up 6%. That's not horrible. It's pretty good. It's basically at like the opening kind of price of Friday. Now we really need to see if it has that massive run up, and then if it falls right after. But I think today will be a pretty nice push day for AMC. We could see it. We'll definitely see it hit 53, probably 55. I don't know if 57 is possible, but after a pretty nice little fall day, we usually have a nice bump on AMC. Just how the thing goes, right? Volume looks good. Here, let's check out the volume. Okay, so volume right now is about 8.5. Nah, dude, volume. How much was it at 825 beforehand? Or 925, sorry. So this is the 920. We're at 10,000 volume. The 920 over here was about 4,000 volume. Okay, so yeah, volume is higher than it was on Friday. But is it higher than it was on Thursday? Yeah. Okay, that's a good sign. Is it higher than it was on Wednesday? No. It is not. It is not a little higher. 51.61. I want to see if it pushes this $57 mark. Because if it does, I mean, that's a pretty nice gain of like, wow, 11% off the open. Dude, should I just buy some more just for the memes and see what it does? Okay, let's see. Yeah. It's going. Yeah, I want to see if it's going to pass this 50, 57, 58-ish mark. Yo, Animal Mentality, did you watch the Mayweather versus Logan Paul last night? Did you watch the fight? Not a dead cat? You don't think it's a dead cat? I don't think it's a dead cat. I think we could squeeze higher. I don't see why you wouldn't squeeze higher, you know? I don't see why we wouldn't squeeze higher. I mean, shorts are still holding pretty strong. It wants to go. Let it go. Heck no, I don't follow that stuff anymore. You don't follow Mayweather, though? I feel like everyone follows Mayweather. It was a pretty good fight. It was of course, a draw, but I guess when you're a grown man working, you know, you don't really follow boxing. You're just working, right? 52, okay. Mayweather is a puppet? Absolutely. Mayweather is a puppet for his money. AMC to 100 this week? It's possible. It's possible. Is it probable? I don't know. It really depends if we see shorts cover or not. I mean, shorts are still, for the most part, holding out, right? I mean, to get to new all-time highs, we need to run 41%. Still moving? It is still moving, yeah. 52.20. We're definitely going up. Let's see if we push this 57. Now I'm looking at the pre-market volume. Pre-market volume is good. It looks like it could make it, really. The Forex trading bot seems to be going well as well. Happy with that. And let's see if GME has gotten any action. No, dude, it's not showing it at all. TradingView just doesn't want to show it for some reason. Oh, I wanted to see what news was coming out on AMC on Yahoo Finance. Let's go here, AMC, and I want to see if there's any new news. Wow, up 8.9%. 3 stocks to avoid this week. Oh, that's the Motley Fool FUD. Bang stocks mostly higher, set for mixed open. AMC's rise as meme stock favorite returns to form. Let's see. I want to read what the Motley Fool is saying. Okay, now we're kind of at 52 bucks. And last week's article on 3 stocks of what I predicted that AMC Holdings would have a rough few days. What? The ultimate 83% gain was naturally huge. So this guy was just wrong. I was right in late January that investors shouldn't bury AMC. Yeah, dude. But I was wrong last week when I shifted gears. Unlike most bulls, I'm not down on AMC. AMC has secured enough financing to survive in the near future, now brimming with $2 billion in the bank, but it's not a business that's worth anything close to $35 billion. Oh, well, that's for sure. Obviously, it's not a $35 billion company, but it's not worth it because the people are saying it's not worth it, you know? QG slides. I don't know why I said that. I was like listening to a song in my head on my own. Still nothing out of GameStop, dude. Usually we'd see some sort of pre-market here, but it's just not showing it. Did SPY start recovering? It didn't. No, SPY almost touched all-time high, then fell right back down. No, that sucks. Same thing with QQQ basically, except it's not all-time highs, it's just Friday's highs. Fell back down. Micron going up. PayPal. Boeing's up. MGM as well. So many different companies. Hilton has just been kind of moving up on the day and on Friday as well. Wait, what stock was this? GHC, GrafTech, or Graham Holdings Company. Okay, wait. Yo, look at this. This is actually a really big grower that, like, I don't think anybody's been following. So, I know this chart looks like really weird, but I mean, this thing is also up 108%. What is this? And why do they have earnings every, like... Why are their earnings so near each other? Oh, that was February and this is May. But then here, I mean, this is November. This looks so strange to me. Oh, where's like January and February? Yeah, man, that chart is weird. There's just like not enough trades on it. Shopify. Ooh, Shopify. Yo, this could actually be a pretty good spot to buy some shop. If it holds this, I mean, you can ride this from like 1200 to 1280, but the way Shopify's moving, this is probably going to end up heading down maybe to like 1020-ish. Probably back down to the 1000s. Jimmy going? No. AMC rejected. For the most part. Kind of rejected. Any new thing here? Any other news in AMC or Ortex? Let's see what Ortex has to say. BlackBerry is currently estimated to be at its highest ever. Wait, people are actually shorting BlackBerry that crazily? What was the BlackBerry chart again? I don't think BlackBerry was up that much, right? Yeah. It actually is from 8 to 14. I mean, it's up like almost 100%. I guess it's okay. But I mean, that is nothing close to, you know, the AMC run right there. And it's still going. 52.25. It's not quite the 52. It's not quite the 55 that it was a little bit earlier on Friday. But, you know, no harm there. Just kind of moving up a little bit. And Workhorse is up 5% in the pre-market. But it's Workhorse. It's kind of a dead company. At least with AMC, there's like sentimental value to it. There's like, you know, I'm going to go with the family to go watch an AMC. I'm going to go show them that I'm an AMC investor and get some free popcorn. But Workhorse is like, bro, do you even know what Workhorse is? You've probably never seen like an actual Workhorse car or something. It just exists. It just literally exists. $52.50, $52.60, almost. $52.70, wow, it just completely jumped up. See what Tesla's at. Ooh, Tesla's falling and the market's open. Okay, well, let's go to AMC and watch what it's gonna do at this open. Barely moving. This thing's not really moving that much, dude. Volume, where you at? Bro, hello? What is this volume? What's happening? First candle is looking very, very weak. What? Is the run for AMC over, dude? There's no way. There's no volume. What is this? Let's check the 1 minute. Hold on. 1 minute is literally almost over and the volume is less than the pre-market. What is this? Is my thing broken? No way. Well, that is just a letdown. That is a letdown. Dude, the 8:13 candle was literally more volume than the 9:31 candle. And the 9:15 candle was literally like maybe 20% less volume. Wow. That is, I mean, compared to this, dude, this was a 62,000 and this is a 23,000. Yikes, dude. I actually don't even know what this means. That's the sad thing. I don't know what this means. Are we gonna slow trickle up, or is this volume just like, hey man, you know, AMC's ran up quite a bit. I don't really know what it's gonna do next, but we'll just have to see. And now it's like falling. All right. Well, is GME doing anything? Okay. Well, GME's up to 260. That's good. I guess. I guess. What a boring opening though. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Let's take a look at like the actual stocks that matter then. Let's take a look at the stocks that matter. Okay. So you've got VU, fallen. SPY had a really nice pre-market open, but it's actually flat now. It's falling. Check Ortex. See what Ortex said. Nothing. Ortex hasn't tweeted anything. Ortex.com, I don't have the thing for it, so can't check that out. I mean, oh, okay, there we go. There's the candle. Alright, it was scaring me for a bit. I was like, what's happening here, bro? You good, bro? And then we have that massive push. Okay, well, this is the AMC that we know. Unfortunately, though, the volume is still quite low. But looks like we're finally starting to get that push that we wanted. Low-key, probably could have bought at the open and made like a good 5-10%. 55. It's almost there. Now the question is, will this volume stick? Okay, there we go. Yeah, 55, 45. Now it wants to hold. Yeah, I mean, we're basically almost pushing the highs of Friday. 56 and touched one of the resistances. Now it's kind of fallen a bit. Is GME pushing with it? No, it's not. GME just has its pre-market open, and it's not really doing too much after that. I want to see if we push this. 58 or 57.50 is really the most important thing, I think. Wow, there's a lot of people buying these random coins that I'm in. Oh, it's on coin market cap. $54. Okay, let me show you something cool. Short interest change 0. Oh, so shorts are selling a bit. So I mean, that's probably why some of the volume isn't there as much. Watch. Let me show you this coin that I'm in. Hold on. I know I'm not shilling any coins or anything, but this is like a coin that I'm in, and oh, it's starting to dump a bit. Yeah, look at that gain, dude. It was at 682. Then it ran to 23. So that's what? 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. So it ran 400%, and now it's obviously dumping because, you know, a lot of these garbage coins are pump and dumps. But I got into it early, and I was up quite a bit, and then it just completely dumped. But it's okay. It's all good with me. I'm just gonna keep holding. It'll probably pump again, keep pumping and keep pumping and keep pumping until eventually I am a Pomsky coin millionaire. Right off of this random coin. We got Bitcoin, not really doing too much. We got Etsy. Yeah, none of these guys are really doing too much. Let's go to the Tesla chart. Tesla chart's really what I'm interested in. To see if we fall to this white line. So it's down on the day. I don't know if it'll continue though. Let's see. No, it looks like it's bouncing here. But will it hold? I mean, that's the real question. We got AMC. Yeah, AMC kind of probably topped for the morning session. We'll probably see it continue pushing towards the later part of the day. SPY is, wow, 0%, dude. And then we've got QQQ red. Today's just a boring day. It's kind of boring. We're not really getting any like real movement anywhere. AMC was starting to get some movement, but then it kind of didn't really do too much. It's just relaxing over here. Probably building some momentum. We had VU, SPY. Net is down. So a lot of some of the chip makers are down. Are they? No, chip makers are kind of flat. We've got Nvidia up, but we've got LRCX and AMD on the red. I don't know if AMD is gonna maybe push for green, especially because it had a really nice green day on Friday. It'll probably relax over there. We've got AMC trying to get back green on this candle. Will it happen? Candle's almost over in like 2.5 minutes, so maybe not. Am I green on the day? No, I am red on the day. LEDs. What is LEDs? Semi-LEDs. Is this a semi company? Wow, this has been pushing. Okay, what is this? LEDS. Is this a semiconductor company? It is. It's a chip maker. Wow, that has really ran. Holy, what a run. From $2 at the start of May to, wow, 600% run. That's really strong. Let's take a look at the FinViz. I want to see if this is actually a good company. LEDS. Let's take a look at the FinViz. Okay, they are not doing well at all, dude. They make no money. These guys make no money. And really there's no articles on it except for their financial results. I guess they had really good financials. Revenue was 1.2 million. Yeah, I'm not even gonna look at this company, dude. If their revenue is literally in like the $1 million range, it is literally not worth my time to look into it. It doesn't make any sense. Holy. 1 million. Whole lot of chop. Yeah, literally. 2.4 million free float. Yeah, that is such a tiny company. It's not worth looking into. It is actually super choppy sip though. Look, SPY is in the chop. Doesn't know what it wants to do. AMC kind of in the chop as well. We've got Q in the chop. Basically everything. Look, dude, it's just red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. You would think it's like Christmas or something. You think it's Christmas. The only thing that's a little green is Bitcoin, dude. It's following this triangle. Yo, Sip, what do you think of this triangle over here? On the Bitcoin chart. Slowly wedging. It'll fall or it'll push. Tesla puts below 590. Let's take a look at my auto. Under 590? No, I wouldn't say so. I mean, where are you gonna ride them to, like 540? Really? That's where like the line is. I mean, if you get Tesla puts, you want to get them like up here, I think. Like around this area. Maybe like the 670 mark. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like a prime triangle right now, but this is falling down a bit, down to 550. Maybe, I don't know. I wouldn't risk the theta and the IV really. I guess not really IV, but I wouldn't risk the theta on this, especially because, you know, it's bounced here. It doesn't really know where it bounced, but it's sticking within a triangle. And yeah, AMC's just not doing anything. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. I think right here actually we'll probably start to see a push up. Yeah, we got some of the early market sellers going away, and then we'll probably push up maybe to like 57. And do I think we're pushing up to 68? Probably not. I'll put my money in AMC instead. No, don't do that, Sip. Don't do it. Only I'm not even gonna say what to buy. Just don't do it. SPY, dude. SPY literally is just zero. SPY is just zero. Has no clue what it wants, man. Okay, am I down still? I'm still down. Everything is just so boring. Are there any actual movers today? Literally, like, I mean, AMC at 55, does that even count as like a mover? Like, I don't even consider that a mover, bro. $1.59. Oh, Tesla's dropping. Maybe, Sip, you were right. Maybe you were right about your Tesla puts. RMED. RE Medical Systems. Bro, what's the deal with these penny stocks, bro? Do you just literally look at Robinhood top movers for the day? I think you said that you do, right? What do these guys do, dude? Finviz. RMed. First quarter. They are runners today. Yeah, I guess they are runners today, but I don't know what the hell they're running for, you know? Clash actions. Wait, what? Obtain important ruling for RA medical system investors and security fraud class action. What? Maybe shorts covering. I don't think so. This action seeks to recover losses suffered by RA medical investors from defendants. Alleged violations. Wait, what? Yeah, dude. So they're literally getting sued into the ground from investors because they, like, broke federal security laws. Investors that purchased RA medical securities are encouraged to call blah blah for the class action lawsuit. Yeah, low float stocks run, but this is a literal dog company. This company is so bad. They're literally getting sued out of existence right now. Yeah, this is a horrible company. They broke. Oh my god, bro. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. This is a $550. You don't get it? Okay, so basically what they did was that they frauded their investors, right? It is manipulation. No, manipulation of actual RA medical systems, dude. They manipulated their investors, and now they're getting class action against. And they're gonna get sued. They're getting sued hard. What? I'm never gonna touch that stock. No shot. What do you got over here? AMC short interest update 9 minutes ago. AMC is up strongly, up 17% in the first 3 minutes of traders. But how's it running? I don't know why it's running. Genuinely don't. But usually when stocks, it's weird because when really garbage companies get hit by like class action lawsuits and suing and stuff, for some reason they always run. But like when really good companies get hit with them, then it's bad and they fall. 70 million shares shorted though. It's weird. I don't know why it's running, but it just is. But it'll probably completely tank right after. Q is just at resistance, man. It has no clue what to do. AMC's going though, is it? Kinda. It was going, and then it kind of hit the resistance of Friday, and it's just doesn't know what to do. I mean, actually, this could be flagging. Kind of looks like a mini bull flag, a little bit. USCR, US Concrete. What the hell? What happened here? What is this? What is this, dude? Things up 29%. What did US Concrete do? Did they find a new concrete that is stronger? What the hell? That's so weird. US Concrete. What's up, Gilly? How are you? Rocket? Dude, what is this nonsense? Finviz. I want to see what they did. USCR, bro. What did they invent a new concrete? Oh, a new merger. Okay. Vulcan to acquire US Concrete. Oh, they're getting acquired. Jumps on agreement for $1.2 billion acquisition by Vulcan. Okay, so they're not actually, they didn't do anything special. They're just getting acquired. That's like what happened with that other stock that dude, my memory's so bad, but there was another stock that we were looking at on Friday that got acquired and instantly around like 60%. Yeah, they're not doing anything special. They're just getting acquired. So they set a share price and then they basically buy them out over there at that set share price. $54. I mean, volume is steadily decreasing. We've got 2 minutes left on this, and we're at 56,000. We're at 100,000 over there. I mean, these candles are a lot obviously weaker than they were on Friday, and of course weaker than they were on Thursday and Wednesday. But this looks like kind of a bull flag where we could start pushing up a bit. Palantir's up. Love to see it. Palantir is always a... Oh wow, Palantir literally bounced off of the white line that we drew a while ago. And it's still going. Dude, Palantir, okay, this is actually like another really good chart. Okay, look at this, dude. Palantir has been following this uptrend, and I think genuinely when we touch 25, if this doesn't completely dump, I mean, we could literally start seeing Palantir push back up to like 26, 28. And I'm a big holder of Palantir, so I'm very excited to see what happens with that. QTS. QTS Reality Trust. How much you want to bet they got acquired? How much you want to bet? Finviz, QTS. Bruh. Blackstone to buy data center operator QTS for 21%. Didn't even know, and they literally are getting bought out. How did I know, dude? How did I know, dude? A lot of the times, that's literally how it is, though. It's literally that these companies get just bought out straight up, and that's why they're a top mover. AMC looks like it's going back again, so that was a bull flag for sure, and then it started pushing back up. Is that good long term? No, it doesn't mean anything. It just means that like they're gonna get taken out of the stock market and put on like another ticker. So I mean, dude, it's already up like 100%. You just don't want to touch it. The only time you actually make money on those is if you somehow are in the stock before it gets announced that they got bought. But I mean, other than that, yeah, you don't even want to touch stocks like that. I didn't even notice, but AMC, I have the chart open and I'm like, didn't even notice it, but it's going. 55.86. 17%. That's good. Are we at yesterday's highs? Almost. I mean, Friday's highs. That was 57, like 40. Ooh, we're hitting resistance of the AM candle, or I guess the 950 candle. Not the 950 candle, sorry, the like 933 candle. But we'll probably keep melting upwards. I don't see why we wouldn't, you know? I mean, people are... The thing with the AMC, right? You could just hold AMC, and you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry that it's like a company that's just gonna go out of business tomorrow. Or like, or it's a company that you'll probably never see again. It just does its own thing. GME kind of pushing a bit as well. Any other good recovery stocks, in my opinion? No, I think recovery's recovered already. I think any stock that was a recovery stock has fully recovered. All the airlines have. Look, Save has recovered. Boeing, I mean, Boeing is pretty much recovered. American Airlines has recovered. OMAB. MGM is actually higher, literally. Las Vegas Sands basically recovered. Wynn recovered. Hilton's higher. Cruises are basically up, even though there still aren't really cruises. Carnival, I mean, thing is with Carnival was already on the downtrend, right? Kinda. Actually, it wasn't. Carnival was going up, but I mean, these businesses are just, they're not good businesses. Yeah, I mean, RCL has recovered pretty much. Like, obviously not 100%, but what, are you gonna risk your money to get, like, how much of a gain is this? A 7% gain, a 6% gain. Like, even if you're really lucky and you get a 42% gain, I mean, it's not, dude. You're so much better putting your money in like actual growth companies than trying to squeeze out a 20% gain out of something that's literally not working right now. Holy, you know, there's no real good recovery stocks, I think. Not anymore. Ooh, SPY's falling. SPY's falling now. Same thing with Q. AMC doesn't care though. AMC's pushing Friday's numbers. We're up to 57.05. I think we're gonna push this and then we work our way up to the 60 something mark. Good stuff. 57. Yeah, I figured it was gonna be a slow melt up. I was like, there's no way this is over, right? Like, you're not just gonna end AMC. Okay, so we're past we're past Friday's highs, which is nice. Up 20% on the day. That's good. I wonder though, will this become a pretty strong resistance? Should I take profit at 100% gain or hold on your AMC? When did you buy AMC? You bought AMC at 61? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Oh, average at 30. Oh, I'm like, dude, I'm pretty sure you were like watching my stream at when AMC was at 61 bucks. Like, no shot that you were I was literally like saying don't buy there. Oh, at 30 bucks, yeah. I mean, dude, 100% gain, you cannot go wrong with that, you know? Like, even if it runs to 70, it runs to 80, it runs to 100, right? Like, Did you lose money? No. Did you lose out on money? Yeah. But I think it's better to secure profits at something that you like and something that you're comfortable with. The greed gets to you? Yeah, dude. Don't let it get to you. I mean, I will speak from experience when I say I've let greed get to me, and it's not good. Not good. But honestly, if you can close at like 61 bucks, yeah. Consider it has ups and downs. I can always re-enter. Exactly. I mean, look, dude. If you sell at 61 and it falls back down to 40, you'll literally get like 30% more shares. And when you write it back up, you'll write another 43%. You can literally wash, like, rinse and wash your money and get up there. if it goes up to 61. So I'd probably take profits at 61. I mean, it'll probably hit 61. It's already pushing past Friday's resistance. And the next real resistance is 61.88, I'd say. And then the 68.71. So you're probably gonna get to 61 like really, really soon. Probably sell and then get out of there. A lot of green candles though. Volume is actually kind of back. These are very, very stable. Look at that. 103, 102, 105. This one was 157. But yeah, we're almost touching 60. Should I put a stop loss at 61 if it continues to move higher? That's really up to you. Personally, I could sell it at 61 and be like good, you know? Like, I don't mind just selling, taking my gain, and then, like, pressing X and just never looking at the stock again. That way I don't FOMO, you know? You don't want to FOMO. But you could set a stop loss just in case it runs up higher. Let's say it runs to, like, 68. Then you'll be like, wow. Such a boring day. I'm not going to lie. I don't even have that much skin in the game anymore for AMC. I closed out. Get a bit of positioning on it. But like VU is moving. SPY isn't moving. Q isn't moving. I mean AMC is moving, but like I don't care that much for it anymore. It's just doing its thing and it fell back down to 58. Kind of struggling here. Nothing I own is moving. Tesla's actually moving red. AMD is red. So boring. Got Geo. Doing nothing. Etsy. Bitcoin. 36,000. Dude, I can't believe Bitcoin is actually 70,000. Holy. Or almost 70,000. Coinbase it probably was 70,000 given their stupid fees. On Fizzes, what are some good stock screener settings? Yeah, let me show you some real quick. Wow, this triangle is actually so solid. Look at that. Oh, wick, and then wick. Yeah, dude, this is actually a good spot to buy. I'm not capping at. Like, I'm not actually lying or like. I genuinely think this is a good spot to buy Bitcoin. I'm not gonna buy any more though, because volume is kind of decreasing. But that doesn't look bad at all. Alright, let's go to Finviz. And I guess let's hold AMC there. 58. Wait a minute. Oh, it's starting to push back up a bit. Alright, so here we go to the screener. And usually, and it really depends on what you're looking for, right? So typically I want a market cap that's doesn't need to be mega cap. I just want it to be at least like a small or mid, right? So you can pretty much change these to either small or mid. or even large, really. So let's do like mid over there. You'll probably get some good companies. Earnings doesn't really matter. Index doesn't matter. I don't want dividends, but that'll be fine. You want your average volume. Doesn't matter really. Sector, I actually like to look at tech because I understand technology the most. We can look at like the. I mean, you could really go with that. Also, I already have a couple presets. Oh no, I'm not logged in. Okay, that's why my presets aren't there. And then like, signal doesn't really matter too much. And I want to make sure that they have a good ROA, ROI. But wait, they literally changed this thing, dude. Hold on, let me log in. All right, there we go. Screener. And here's mine. This is the one I like to use. So we have market cap 300 million to 2 billion for like small caps that I'm interested in. We want them to have positive growth for the last 5 years. We want them to have a positive net margin over $5, so it's not a penny stock. They need to be profitable. For me, I don't like trading on like really unprofitable companies unless they're massive tech stocks. We want them to be positive return on assets. Once again, forward profitable. We basically want them to be really, really good companies with average volume over 200,000 and good EPS growth. And that brings us to like, look at this, dude. Access technology, right? Video. I made a video on it. I mean, look at it go, dude. It's just slowly pushing along. 35 to 41. It's pushing along. What ATN over here? Wow, nice little breakout, dude. Nice breakout from $9 to 10, like 12% gain, I think. AXTI, look at this. They're making good money. I mean, it's not a ton, 3%, 2%. Like, it's not great, but they're making some money. City Trends. What is this? Software application. B Cove. ROI is low. That's not good. And then let's go to like the mid. Let's do mid. So we got AB, Alliance Bernstein. This is an asset management company. Like, look at this, dude. This has just literally been pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. You could probably put money in there and just leave it go. I mean, look at that. ROA is 19%, ROE is 19%, ROI is 17%. So this thing just keeps basically getting better. It makes a lot of money. Profit margin is 91%. Holy. That's great. And then what do we got over here? We got Car Gurus. Citrix or Salix. I thought this had Citrix. Oh, we got a double top, and then this thing can break out, dude. Look at that. We've got a double top, and then we've got higher lows. This is also making money. 15%, 24%, 12%. It is profitable. Now, what does this do? In premium Wi-Fi operating. Premium Wi-Fi offering. I'm going to save that one. Yeah, which one? CalX? Let's take a look at the chart here, actually. CalX. The chart looks kind of promising. It is up huge, though. I mean, wow. Whoa, dude. Since Corona crash, this thing is up big. This is up 1,000%. Corona crash, or I guess 700%. That's really good. Okay, let's check out earnings. They beat 73%, they beat 35%, and they beat 100%. And it seems like every time they beat earnings, oh well, it tanked there, and it rose here. Okay, so you can't really get a good read on it, but this company's making good money. Oh, the screener. Yeah, save the screener. Do you want me to get back on it for you? Here, Take like a screenshot on your phone or something, or on your PC or whatever, and then you can just plug it into your own FinViz. I'll leave it up for like a couple seconds for you. But yeah, this company looks pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie. I saved this video to come back to it. Okay. Whoa, this one got upgraded to a 100 price tag. Or 100 price target. I'm gonna actually, you know what? I'm gonna do some more research off stream about Calyx. Because it seems very... Institutions own 81%. That's really good, by the way. Instant transactions, institutional transactions, 2.8%. Insiders were down. Insiders own 7%. So, dude, retailers really own, like, nothing of this stock. This is a pure institutional stock play. Look at this. 81 plus 7. That's like 88. Round up, 89%. So, retail investors only own, like, 11% of this stock. And it keeps pushing up. PE is 50. That's actually really, really high. Price to book is also kind of high. Okay, let's read this article real quick, because now I'm actually interested in this company. I'm more interested in it than AMC, which is actually fallen back down a bit. Okay. Calyx gains from growing subscriber base, tech innovation. Many leading network operators have been reaping the benefits, such as one company being Calyx, CALX. What's a good minimum percent to take profit on a position? I can't answer that because there's no minimum percent profit. It's whatever you feel comfortable. Because if you would have taken minimum profit at like 20% on AMC in the first run and missed that, 900% run, you'd be pretty mad. You really just gotta figure that out for yourself. See what you're comfortable with. See, if there's still volume, if there's still hype or whatever, if you invest on hype. It has emerged as a strong player in the tech industry on the back of favorable and customer despite the ongoing COVID-19. This seems like a really good company. Announced that solutions have been selected by Transworld Network Corp to accelerate the fiber network to build out its ladder across the United States. This is good. I like this company. And it seems like it could run. I usually get comfortable around 20%. Yeah, 20% is not a bad number at all. 20% is not bad. The only thing, man, I'm just kind of pissed off that this thing ran so much. Like, imagine getting to this thing at, like, 10. 47 just feels really high, but, like, it could keep going. But it just kind of feels unfortunate how high it is. It would have been nice to get into this company beforehand, obviously. How much was the market cap on this thing? 2.8 billion. So I guess it is a still relatively low market cap. But for what they do, I'd have to compare it versus other companies. Here, let me ask my friend if he wants to check it out. He likes to research companies. But yeah, that's pretty much it. For Calyx. Or text any new information. It's been about an hour since we last checked. Oh wow. GME is also performing well today, up 6% after 30 minutes. With 11.54 million shares shorted. Okay, well that's not that big of a deal. Excuse me. AMC up 18%. Why does my chart look so sus now, dude? Hold on, I need to reload this thing. It was showing weird charts. Why does this look so weird? What happened? Oh no, I'm on Okay, that's why. I was like, why is it doing that? $56.85. Got GME kind of up a bit. And man, everything else is down. SPY took a turn to the downside. Q as well. Palantir is going up today though, 1%. I'm happy. I like Palantir. You like Palantir? We got Tesla falling. MVIS, holy, that company. Microvision is a SPAC, right? Excuse me. Microvision is one of those SPACs that Chamath was pumping hard, and I think it dumped. Yeah, I believe so. Microvision's up 6%. That's decent, I guess. Yeah, it's not bad. Got Tesla. Okay. Yeah. Tesla's falling though, man. Tesla's dropping. Look at this. Down 2.4% today. That's quite a decent fall. And it's still going. It wants like minus 2.5% probably. Palantir looks like it's recovering or retreating a bit. Q is falling hard. SPY is falling hard. Today's a boring day. There's like nothing interesting going on. Yo, one of my favorites has just been literally relaxing here, doing absolutely nothing. Palantir still needs to figure out what it wants to do. Got AMCQ. AMC's kind of falling back down. It looked like it wanted to hold 60, but fell back. But yeah, it's like 10:15 now. I have quite a bit of work to do still for the rest of the day. And yeah, this thing is just dumping down. It looks like it's gonna be a pretty boring day in the market. I'll see if I have time to do a market close stream so we can see what's happening for the end. But I think for now that's gonna be it for like this early morning stream. Let's check out this XFO though. EXFO. Bro, this is again another company that probably just got bought out. What the hell is this pump and dump, dude? Yeah, wow, that's a nice chart, but I mean, this thing looks like it just got bought out. Let's see, how down bad is this? Yeah, this thing has just been falling. It looks like it just got bought out though. Probably. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this morning stream. I gotta go do some work, so thanks for hopping in. Animal Planet, appreciate you. You're like the only person in here, but I like that you actually talk, you know, so it makes it feel less awkward. Yeah, so I'll see you later, dude. Peace.